In this video, we're going to look at exchanging money. Now, as of today, those are the exchange rates we have. I'm just using pounds, euros, and dollars. So pounds, the UK, euros for the continents, and dollars for only using US dollars in America. Okay, so David is going on holidays in the USA. He converts £400 to dollars. How much does he get? Now, what I would like to do here is I just write down the matching ones. Pounds to dollars, £1 to $140. So I write down £1 is equal to dollars, 140, and I write down this one underneath the matching ones, 400. Now I can see very simply that this is multiplied by 400. So if I do the same on that side, I'll get my answer. So 140 times 400 is an answer, $560. When he came home, he had $80 left. He converts this back to euro, or so back to pounds. How much does he get? So again, I write down my pounds, my dollars, and put $80 underneath there. So now, how do I get from there back? Well, I might actually put my arrow there. I multiply. So if I do 80 divided by 140, I get 57.14. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply that by the same. Now I'm purposely not taking that off the screen. So if I multiply that by 1, and of course I'm going to get the same answer again, but £57.14. Julie is in Italy. She's buying a train ticket. She can pay £60 or €72, which is cheaper, and by how much? So you've got options here. You can either convert this to euro and get your answer, or you can convert that to pounds and get your answer. So it doesn't matter which one you do. I'm going to convert from £60 to euros. So write down your pounds and your euro. So my pounds, I want to know what £60 is. So that is times 60. Well, times that by 60. €68.40. Nah, I'm already done. €72, which is better. And by how much? So £60 is better. By how much? What's the difference between €72 and 68.40? By euro, €3 and 60. Now, of course, I had the other option as well. I could have done £1 is equal to, I could have put 70, put an or here, put 72 there. How do I get from there to there? 72 divided by, doesn't matter what that is multiplied by 63.15. I would do the same on this side, which of course gives me 63.15. So what's the difference? It's £3.15. So it depends what way you want to do that question. You'd only do one of those. Look at my last example. 3 identical cameras are on sale. The £300 in the UK, $399 in the USA, or $340 in France. Which is the cheapest and by how much? So let's get them all into the same. So let's just keep them in the UK. So in the UK, we have £300. Done. USA, 1 times is $1.40. So it's $3.99 in the USA. So we need to guess what I multiply that by. And because this is 1, that'll be your answer. So if I do 399 divided by 140, I get 285. And now let's look at French. So I have £1 is equal to €1.14. I'm putting 340 here. £3.40 divided by 114. 298.24. Just check that, 298.24. Okay, so now you've got everything in the same currency, which is the cheapest. The USA is cheapest. Now remember, you could have had all of these in pounds, you could have all of them in euros, all of them in dollars, and you would have got the same. Which is the cheapest, and by how much? Well, this bit here is this unfair. £15 cheaper than the UK. And how much cheaper is this? 13.24 cheaper. Than France. Okay, here are 2 questions. Press pause and have a go. The answers will follow in 1 moment. Answer to question 1. And question 2.